Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Today we are going to learn a new lesson of English, daily English recitation plan. Let's start.
ALWAYS. Always. Always means name. I always drink tea. NEVER. Never. Never means कधीही नाही. I never tell a lie. SOMETIMES. Sometimes. Sometimes means कधी कधी. Sometimes it rains. BECAUSE. Because means कारण. I am happy because I won. BEFORE. Before means पूर्वी. Wash hand before eating. AFTER. After means नंतर. We will meet after lunch. SMALL. Small means लहान. The cat is very small. LARGE. Large means मोठे. They live in a large house. EMPTY. Empty means रिकामे. This glass is empty. UNDER. Under म्हणजे खाली. The ball is under the bed. ABOVER. Above म्हणजे वर. The fan is above my head. BEHIND. Behind म्हणजे मागे. Who is behind the curtain? EARLY. Early means लवकर. I wake up early for work. LATE. Late means उशिरा. Don't be late for school. DARLY. Daily means दररोज. Exercise is my daily habit. BETWEN. Between means मध्ये. Sit between your friends. AMONG. Among means सर्वांमध्ये. He is famous among us. BESIDE. Beside means शेजारी. She sat beside me. SIMPLE. Simple means साधे. It is a simple task. HARD. Hard means कठीण. This rock